Hello everyone, let's talk about a fantastic upgrade for your Zebra ZD420D or ZD620D thermal label printers, the Carp Z Auto Cutter Assembly. If you're tired of manually tearing labels or dealing with a worn-out cutter, this could be the perfect solution. This auto cutter assembly is designed for seamless compatibility with Zebra ZD420D and ZD620D desktop thermal label barcode printers. It's a direct replacement, part number P10803883-417. So make sure to double-check your printer model before ordering to ensure it fits. Durability is a key feature here. The Carp Z cutter is constructed from high-grade materials, promising a longer lifespan and the ability to withstand frequent use without losing its sharpness. This is a significant advantage for businesses that rely on consistent, high-volume label printing. Installation is straightforward, allowing for stable and secure mounting on your ZD420D or ZD620D printer. Once installed, the cutter remains firmly in place, ensuring consistent and reliable performance. This stability translates to less downtime and increased efficiency in your label printing process. The cutting performance is where this assembly truly shines. It automatically cuts labels with speed and precision, boosting your printer's overall efficiency. Whether you're creating express electronic bills, clothing labels, supermarket price tags, or tickets, this cutter delivers clean and accurate cuts every time. Carp Z stand behind their product with a 3-month warranty service. They also conduct quality inspection and packaging before shipment. If you encounter any issues, their customer support team is available to provide assistance within 24 hours.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.